Hey guys, welcome to a demo of my phone call system. So this is an asset within Unity where you can interact with a various bunch of phones, bring up a UI in front of the player, be able to input a number specified where if you want to hide it within your game or as to be a puzzle, and then when you call that number, you can then, if that number is correct, play an audio clip. If not, you could play a dead tone of the phone. In the demo, there'll be 3 different types of phones: one payphone style phone, one office phone, and one mobile phone, all PBR models. And there's 2 sets, one where there's for a third person style interaction, so you can walk into a trigger event and press E to bring up the actual keypad itself on each of these, and then one which is a raycast, which is more based on a first person interaction. You can see that you can click on one of these actual keypads, you can press on the keys and you can put an input. If we call now without putting anything, you should be able to hear, or very faintly hear, a dead tone. We can press cancel to cancel that. Then we can input the correct number, press play, and we will actually get an audio clip based on the number that we've given. And we can do that with every single different item in itself. And all these objects have to control them is a simple controller with an array where you can set as many different codes that you want. So you can set 200 different codes you want with different sound effects. You can have a dead dial tone and something to control the keys. So you can customize all the UI layouts for the actual phones themselves. Obviously change the models, change everything within there. Hopefully you check this out and all my great assets on the Unity store. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.